Hello and welcome to the Ray Train. Join the train by subscribing and click that bell so the train goes woo! As you may have noticed, I got my hair dyed. You may not have noticed. This may be your first video that you're watching of me. If that's true, thank you so much for watching my channel and clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy and I hope you stay through the whole thing because that really helps me. So, this is my hair. I think it's so pretty. I think it's really pretty. It's like caramel and vanilla. I don't know. I like it a lot. But I just got highlights. I didn't get everything dyed. But this is a college vlog, so enough about my hair. Oh, and if you watched my video where I said let's talk, it was a little harsh. I was real in the video, so hopefully you understand and that you aren't mad at me. If you didn't watch that video, none of what I just said made sense, but if you want to watch it, you can. Just know that I vent a little. I'm real with you. So, I'm real about what I'm feeling, my feelings, and all that garbage. Anyway, I'm packing for college. I'm not packing like for a whole year because I live pretty kind of close to the campus, to the school. So this is one pile of stuff I have. So you can kind of see everything I have. Those are all my pillows I'm bringing. I'm bringing this, I think it looks kind of vintage. I used to not like it, but now I like it. I'm bringing my Jolly Rancher pillow, which I love because it's so soft and squishy. This Vera Bradley pillow that turns into a blanket. This looks kind of retro-y and it kind of goes with my room's theme. My room's theme is really all over the place, and then I brought that one because I thought it looked kind of hippie, kind of retro. I made that, by the way. Fun fact. I did that whole latch thing. You can see the latch part. These are all my clothes on hangers I'm bringing. I am bringing quite a few of hanger clothes because these are all skirts and there's like 4 pairs of pants in this. I really like skirts. I really want to get to wear them more. So I decided to bring them. These are my cutesy shirts that I really like, that I wear a ton, that I know will get a lot of use. I stole some shirts from my brother, but he hasn't needed them for a year, so I'm not sure that's a big deal. I have a dress in here, a nice pair of khaki pants, in case I need it for an outfit or professional stuff. This is full of my school books and notebooks. I do have a roommate, so I'm a little nervous about that. I don't know what her personality is like. I'm kind of getting a feel for it over texting, and she's called me, but I don't like talking to people on the phone. It freaks me out. But that's my school books. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. I got a notebook where it's one big one and it's got like 5 sections in it. I'm not sure if that's a smart thing to do, so comment down below if you're a college student and you've used one of those notebooks, or you're a high school student where it's one big notebook and it's divided into 5 sections, if that's better than individual notebooks. So comment down below if that's a good idea. I just thought it was. I don't know if it is. So before I jump in and I'm like committed, I want to like figure out if that's a good idea. So I'll show you the stuff outside. I moved a bunch of stuff outside. I didn't put it in the car yet, and I'll explain why in a second. Alright, so this is the stuff outside. I have this chest. I'm not sure if I'll keep it because it's really big and it has some sheets in it and stuff like that. I have more sheets. Under there is a cooler. That's stuff full of stuff. Those are my shoes. I didn't bring that many, but hopefully I'm okay with the stuff I brought. There's some other stuff I need, like a rice cooker, a sign, found in products. Of course, that's not mine. I am bringing a mini refrigerator, which I had to clean today, so it looks all nice. This was at the farm. If you don't know what the farm is, you can check out other videos of mine where I explain what the farm is. Right here, I just have my comforter thing. I think that's what it's called. A bathrobe because it is a community bathroom. And then you have like 4 bags, and these are full of clothes and essentials that I need. Hopefully tonight we will pack the car because I don't want to be like stressed in the morning. I'm gonna wash my hair for the first time since I got it dyed, which was yesterday, so I'm not a grandma, okay? But hopefully we pack the car tonight, and I'm gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna head out. My move-in time is 10 to 12, but I want to get there before my roommate so I can, like, you know, feel it out, you know? You know? I didn't take a shower yet. Ooh, you can really see my hair. It's like bleak. On fleek. Look at that. Woo! That is really, really hot. Probably not gonna put this in. Okay, bye. So this is my OOTD. I'm wearing my tennis shoes, which are Brooks, or is that right? Yeah, Brooks. And some Under Armour socks. Oops. My pants are my mom's. They look very retro and cool. They got pockets. And my belt is, I don't know where it's from. I'm wearing the shirt from my university. And then I'm wearing a mask. Mom curled my hair. So, that is it. This is breakfast.
First day in first grade.
And donut holes. We're headed out. So I moved in. I haven't shown you the dorm room yet because my roommate showed up. We were kind of trying to get everything in order so that it was good to go. I have to be back on campus at 1:30 because that's when I have a meeting with the RA, my floor. We're probably gonna play some fun, like, get to know each other every 4-H event ever. But 2 o'clock is when we meet on the lawn for, like, more games, social distancing style. Not sure how that's gonna work, but yeah, I met my roommate. She seems super chill. So this is my dorm room. This is my bed. We put it on stilts, kind of, so that my refrigerator fit underneath. This is a little vanity area. There's a light for it.
She didn't choose a thing over here.
And then this is my closet. I'm probably gonna take a nap. And the food's up there. Food. So walking in, there's a mirror here, and then there's also like shower hangers, like towel hangers. So this is the room. The bed difference is astronomical. It's under my bed.
Is that yours?
Sure.
Alright.
This is it. So, Mom and Dad just left. I cried a little bit, but I'm not like, I can't think about things too much, otherwise I'll just be sad. So I've really learned over this COVID thing to just not dwell on anything sad and to just kind of not think about it. So I'm not thinking about it. Plus, like, I'm living pretty close to home, and I'm not even sure why I'm living in a dorm because, but you know what, it's fine. It'll help me like stay focused on school, hopefully. But my roommate's gone. I connected to the Wi-Fi, so I'm checking my email, my school email, just to see if there's any updates of like, I don't know, teachers, because I have like 2 online classes. I met my English professor. It's a female. She seems really nice. I didn't meet her. It was like a video where she's like, hi, my name's blah. But this can go in the closet. I'm gonna try to do something with these. So let's see if I can figure this out. Perfect. Look at that. The nurse said that I need to go home, get out of my dorm immediately, so I'm leaving. So I'm probably gonna miss tomorrow's activities. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join the Raid Train by subscribing and click that bell so the train goes woo woo. Have a blessed day. Bye.